Very good afternoon. I am Professor Sutar, Head of Mechanical Engineering Department, Ashokrao Group of Institute Water. Today I attended workshop Faculty Development Program on Dassault Systemes SolidWorks by Infinite E-Learning Solution Private Limited. During this workshop, I learned and gone through different analysis, FEA, CAPD program, also solid modeling program, and some hands-on practices. Really, as head of mechanical department, I would like to suggest all the faculty and students really you can go through this. It's very demanding and we can improve employability of our institute. Especially, I would like to mention, if you want to improve the admission and scenario of mechanical engineering, this is very important to enrich and to add the value of mechanical engineering students. So once again I request to all of you. Also I would like to give thanks to team members of Dassault Systems. Thank you very much.